All right, now time for your 2024 Prom King and Queen. For your 2024 Prom King, watch me dance, dance the night away. My heart could be burning, but you won't see it on my face. Watch me dance, dance the night away. I'll still keep the party burning, I won't get out of place. My name's Mackenzie Buchanan, and I'm your junior vice president.
I'm Joel Egot, I'm your junior class vice president.
I'm Beth, and I'm your junior class secretary. I'm Alex Starr, and I'm your junior class treasurer.
Runners up.
All right, y'all second runners up are Duncan Hayes and Kylie Brooks.
The first runner-ups are Caleb Hardy and Sammy Setier Dharma.
All right, now time for your 2024 Prom King and Queen. For your 2024 Prom King, we have Aiden Pope. And for your 2024 Prom Queen, we have Avery Cloud.